Atlas TITAN Extruder. The new generation of Atlas Extruders, the most powerful and highest capacity extruders in Turkey. Atlas International Corn Chips Production Line, featuring the powerful Atlas TITAN Extruder, combined with an advanced packaging system consisting of 3 multi-head weighing, filling, and packaging machines. Initial corn grits feeder. Extrusion stage through the TITAN Extruder. Conveyor. Heat drying stage through a high-efficiency drying oven. Seasoning stage, using an advanced seasoning system for uniform flavor distribution. Product collection stage towards the packaging system. Elevator to the packaging machines. Multi-head weighing filling systems to ensure accuracy, speed, and efficiency. Atlas ContiPro Continuous Motion System, VFFS machines. Up to 150 bags per minute packaging speed for every machine. Atlas International, 50 years of continuous success.